Bonjour, hello, and welcome to Mac's Mountain World. Bonjour, hello. Today, a little video about animals. There's been an incident. Okay, the incident, just to put a basis on what's happening, I'm just about to install this bad boy, a new dishwasher. And now and again when I'm at work I'll stop, and being a smoker I like to have a little cigarette on the balcony. So I was out in the balcony earlier, and there's a lot of birds about, a lot of wasps and flies. The wildlife's become pretty active, especially with this recent heat that we've had. So I'm out standing in the balcony just watching what's going on, and out of my peripheral vision I spotted something. Now normally that would be like a bee or a wasp or something, and it seemed like in my peripheral vision it was like here. And having an allergy for most stings and stuff, I react quickly. I have very, very fast reactions anyway. And I just had this in my peripheral vision, just forward, maybe if you were to take a clock reference horizontally. It was about 2 o'clock and about level with my eyes. And my reaction was to do that. So I did that, and I actually punched a bird clean out of the sky. It was a bird that was swooping down. Now, this guy, I'm up on the 2nd floor when this happened. And this little guy kind of landed down in the grass below. After about half a minute, he's off again. He's recovered. So thank goodness I didn't hurt him. He's hurt me a wee bit. I think his beak made contact with my finger there. But it's the first time in my life I've ever punched a swallow, a bird, out to the sky. But anyway, then I remembered that when I was crossing the road the other day and one of the cats was in the road, these guys are just swooping down and really aggressive, very, very aggressive. So I'm out in the balcony again, about an hour and a half later this morning, and just watching out for what these birds are doing, having passed this incident this morning. So I'm just watching, and the next thing, woof, there's another one coming past, and another one coming past. So I've tried to catch this on video, but they do say that wildlife is the most difficult thing to capture on video. And these guys especially, because they're just so fast, and they come out of nowhere, and whoa, and they're passing within about 50 centimetres, just a couple of feet, a foot or so in front of me. And I've tried to catch this. I've not finished my working day yet, so always with the cameras with me. I'll see if I can catch some more footage of this. I've already got a little bit, but like I say, they're very, very difficult to catch. So here's a video, a bit of aggression in the animal world. I do find that these birds this year are particularly more aggressive, swooping down on dogs. Even watched a family walking past today, and they had a little kid, maybe about a year old, a year and a half, I don't know. But you know, they have these kiddie reins where the kid can actually just wander down the road, and whoa, there's the birds doing their stuff again. So, okay, see what I can catch through the day here, and here's the video. Wow.